ever wanted to track text to your finger or transform a frame to where it tracks the object? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today. So, I have two pieces of footage today because I am going to show you two different types of tracking. So let's get started. This first piece of footage, I am gonna track the text to my finger. So go to the Fusion tab, shift spacebar, type in tracker, and with this little box, go to what you're trying to track. So I'm trying to track my finger right here. So I'm gonna go, alright, that looks good. So, and then this big box is for where the finger is throughout the whole frame. So I need to expand this because my hand does a lot of moving. Alright, so now I'm going to press track to end. Alright, so after you have the tracking done, press OK and then add your text. So, plug it in, and wow, there's nothing showing at all. Wow. I'm joking. All you do is press tracker, go to operation, and press match move, because you match the move. And press text. Let's move it by the finger over here. Oops. Alright. Now let's see how it looks. Oh. Okay, so there's a little jump there. So sometimes there are problems with this tracker. So you can keep trying out different spots, or like what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut that part out. Alright, so there you go. Alright, the second one is the planner tracker. So shift spacebar, type in planner. And what you're gonna do is track the places with contrast. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Now that I have the whole screen selected, I am going to set this frame and I'm going to track to the end. Okay, that did alright. I'm gonna go back to the frame I started with and track to the end. So now that we have all that tracking data, what you do is go to operation mode and press corner mode. And then it'll give you the shape and just put it on the corners of the screen. You can make this look more realistic by adding a glare or adding a color corrector node or any other things, adding a shadow from the screen. But I'm gonna leave that as it is. So those are the two most common ways to track, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching all the way through. See ya.